Hello everyone, I am Hanifa, second year mechanical department. Today in this video we are going to discuss about switch fuse unit. So what actually is a switch fuse unit? Where does this term comes from? This is a component of LT switchgear. So what is an LT switchgear? LT switchgear panel is like it is an apparatus which is used for protecting the electrical appliance. The components of LT switchgear are switch fuse unit, miniature circuit breaker, earth leakage circuit breaker and molded KS circuit breaker. Well, switch fuse unit. Switch fuse unit is used for distributing power and protecting the electrical devices and cables from damage due to fluctuations. Name itself, switch fuse unit, tells that it consists of one switch unit and one fuse unit. It works as a switch to connect or disconnect the supply to the load. At the same time, they can interrupt the power supply by blowing. This is a block diagram of a switch fuse unit. This is an external handle which refers to the breaker in the above statement. So when we close the external handle, the supply of the current to the fuse will be disconnected. And components of a switch fuse unit. The main components of a switch fuse unit are switches, fuses and the enclosure. The switch is used manually to disconnect the circuit, and the fuses protect against the overloads of the current, and the enclosure houses these components and provides protection against the environmental factors. So how actually the switch fuse unit works? This is a device. Actually, switch fuse unit is a device that combines a manual switch and a fuse to control and protect the electrical circuits. So here is the simplest explanation of the switch fuse unit. It consists of two mechanisms, switch mechanism and a fuse mechanism. Here the switch allows you to manually open and close the circuit. When the switch is closed, the electricity flows to the circuit. When the switch is open, the circuit is interrupted, stopping the flow of electricity. And in the fuse mechanism, the fuse protects the circuit from overcurrent. If the current exceeds the safe level, the fuse heats up and melts, breaking the circuit. The types of fuses. Here are a few fuses listed below. Rewirable fuse or a KitKat fuse, cartridge fuse, high rupturing capacity fuse, semiconductor fuse and a link type fuse. And the advantages of a switch fuse unit. Switch fuse unit provides a convenient way to isolate the circuits for maintenance or repairs. They offer protection against the overcurrents and short circuits, preventing the damage to equipment. Switch fuse units are durable, reliable and require minimal maintenance. Applications of switch fuse unit. Switch fuse units are used in industrial settings, commercial buildings, residential installations, power distribution networks, generator systems, renewable energy systems, emergency power systems. Installation considerations while installing a switch fuse unit. When installing a switch fuse unit, it is important to ensure the proper sizing to handle the electrical load. The unit should be installed in a location that is easily accessible for maintenance or inspection. Proper earthing and grounding of the fuse unit is essential for safety and functionality. Maintenance of a switch fuse unit. Regular maintenance of a switch fuse unit involves inspecting for signs of wear, damage or overheating. Clean the unit periodically to remove dust that can affect its performance. Keep a record of maintenance activities and schedule routine inspections to ensure the switch fuse unit remains in good working condition. Conclusion. Switch fuse unit plays a crucial role in electrical installations by providing a safe and reliable means of circuit protection. Understanding the components, operations and maintenance of a switch fuse unit is essential for ensuring electrical safety. By following proper installation practices and safety precautions, switch fuse unit can contribute to the efficient and secure operation of electrical systems. Thank you.